Welcome to the session of Wuerth brake cleaner. Just see the two brake discs. Which one is more cleaner? Obviously the second one. It is spotless and clean. It is clean by using our Wuerth brake cleaner. Let's go to the workshop and find out more.
Wuerth brake cleaner effectively and quickly removes soot, grease, brake dust and oily residues from vehicles, disc and drum brakes, engine and gearbox housings. It is used for residue-free cleaning. Wuerth brake cleaner uses good material which is compatible with paints, plastics, seals and rubber. It is AOX and silicon-free product and has a wide range of applications. Wuerth brake cleaner is available in various sizes such as 100 ml, 700 ml, 5 liters, 20 liters and 60 liters containers. This 700 ml can is offered by no other competitor. Now that you know about Wuerth brake cleaner, let us see how to apply it. You can apply it in 3 simple steps. Step 1. Spray onto a wanted area or parts and leave for a short while. Step 2. Wipe with a dry and clean cloth. Step 3. In case of sensitive surfaces, spray onto cloth and wipe. Here are 3 important tips while you use Wuerth brake cleaner. Do not spray Wuerth brake cleaner on a hot surface. Wuerth brake cleaner is not suitable for surface cleaning of adhesive areas. When the dirt is hard to remove, repeat the procedure. In the traditional method of cleaning, first you need to brush the surface to dust it off, blow the air and then wipe the surface with the cleaning agent. Even then, some residues will still be left. Also, it causes health issues to the mechanic because of the dust. Compared to this, there are many advantages of Wuerth brake cleaner. Wuerth brake cleaner has fast flash-off behavior and is an excellent cleaning agent. It is compatible with paints, plastics, seals and rubber. It evaporates fast and does not leave any residues. Wuerth brake cleaner acts as an effective cleaner and degreaser for brake disc and other surfaces like engine and gearbox housing. Since Wuerth brake cleaner removes residues easily, it is profitable and quick. Wuerth brake cleaner has a 360-degree cap that helps to reduce material consumption and wastage. Wuerth brake cleaner is a unique product. It is mainly used in passenger car workshops, two-wheeler workshops, commercial vehicles workshops, industries, construction industries, and agriculture equipment.
Trust this information was useful. Remember, satisfied customers are our capital.